Good day, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show you how to make this kind of pockets for your cargo pants and trousers. Let's go. So first of all, you're going to need a gum style, and you're going to cut the gum style according to the measurements that you want the pockets to be like. So you're going to gum it leaving ½ inch, just like you're seeing in the video. Then you're going to fold it up and stitch straight on the top. Now you need an additional material long enough to fold from, as you can see in the video, for the sides. Long enough, it should be long enough to fold the sides, just like I've done in the video, as you can see now. Now I'm going to fold them out. That's turning them over after I've stitched the additional material just on the side. You understand? Now, as you can see in the video, I've turned it over. Now I'm going to stitch, folding it in like this, just at the edge of the pocket. You understand? Now I'm going to stitch it 4 corners, of course leaving the up that I folded initially, remember. So I've done that already, and you can see what it looks like right now. If you're following the process from the beginning, you are going to be having exactly something like this. You can pause and go backward if maybe the video is too fast for you. So now I'm going to attach it to the trouser. You understand? So I've marked where I'm going to put the trouser, the pockets already on the trouser. So I'll be using, you can use an office pin to pin it down so that it doesn't bend. It's not going to bend when you are stitching it. But then I'm going to mark where I'm going to place the pocket. So I'm going to put the pockets now. As you can see, the white lines that I'm going to follow to put the pocket. Now these white lines is going to serve as a guide to me. The purpose is just so that the pocket is not going to bend over to the right or to the left. You understand? So I've done that already, and this is what it looks like. So if you're liking this video, I want you to subscribe and share, and also like also to motivate me for more. So now I'm going to stitch this up. You understand? Just like I'm doing in this video. As you can see now, I'm going to stitch the up both sides. This is the simplest way to do this pocket, and it's going to be looking, now you can see it's looking nice and clean. So what you need now is just to give it a good iron and sew the cover for it. Thank you.